guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know मैंने काफ़ी दिनों से vlog नहीं बनाया because I was a little busy on Instagram and मैं वहाँ पे ज़्यादा focus थी. But now I'm back. I hope मैं consistent रहूँ. That's what I'm expecting right now. But let's see what will happen. And इस vlog में मैं आप लोगों को बताऊंगी कि how I get ready for my Instagram reels and मैं कैसे अपना makeup करती हूँ and all, because I have been getting a lot of DMs from you guys that मैं कैसे इतना ज़्यादा glowy makeup करती हूँ, what all products that I use. So yeah, I'm here with you all, and without any further time pass, let's start the video. But before that, I just wanted to tell you that अभी मेरे face पे कुछ भी नहीं है, मैंने कुछ भी स्किन केयर नहीं किया है, मैंने कुछ भी अपने face पे अभी तक लगाया नहीं है. This is my skin looks without makeup. So I just tucked my bangs because I don't want any disturbance on my face. And let's start the skin preparation and all our skincare products that I always use. So first thing is this CoverGirl primering glow mist, and you just have to spray this on your skin. And इसको लगाने के बाद I just do this to make it settle. And next thing is हम लगाएंगे skin toner, this one, and इसको हम लेंगे just a little bit. मैं सिर्फ 2 drops लेती हूँ, यहाँ पे लगाऊंगी and on my other side of my face. This is my moisturizer that I have been using since a year now, or maybe more than a year. So ये मैंने तब लिया था जब मेरी स्किन पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा acne थे and like I was struggling a lot for my puberty. So this was the product that I used at that time, and I have been using this since a year now, and मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है because ये gel based है and ये आपकी स्किन को like बहुत ही ज़्यादा hydrating बना देता है and glowing बना देता है. And as I told you कि मैं सारे products जो है काफ़ी glowing use करती हूँ, जिस पे like जो काफ़ी hydrating होते हैं. You just have to apply it. So this is the glow that you will get after using this moisturizer, and ये बहुत ही अच्छा moisturizer है. मैं काफ़ी टाइम से इसको use कर रही हूँ and I really love it. So I hope you guys will also like find a difference on your skin when you will use it. We're gonna use sunscreen. I know अभी winters है and we don't need sunscreen on our skin. That's not the right thing, because हम लोगों को sunscreen चाहिए होता है, चाहे वो summers हो, winters हो, whatever it is, because sunscreen really helps your skin to protect from UV rays and all. And this is a product from Aveeno that I have been using since a year now, and ये बहुत अच्छा है, ये भी lightweighted है, SPF 50 है, so I feel like this is a really good one. And ये आपके स्किन पे कोई भी white cast नहीं छोड़ेगा. Again, this is also the glowy one, and I'm obsessed with glowing makeup and skincare. So this much we're gonna apply. I just rub it on my hands and the next product which I'm gonna apply is this is from ELF, and it's Hello Glow liquid filter, जो मैं बहुत टाइम से यूज़ कर रही हूँ, and it's really nice product because ये आपके स्किन को बहुत अच्छा glow provide करता है. And if your skin is really dry and you don't have like glowy texture on your skin, so I would highly recommend this to you because ये बहुत 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 अच्छा है. So ये exactly मेरे skin के color के according है. I'm just gonna show you. अगर जब ये मेरी skin पे लग जाता है तो ये मेरी skin से ही mix हो जाता है, to be honest. It doesn't feel like मैंने इसको use करा है. So whenever you will buy it, just like अच्छे से इसके बारे में research कर लेना and then apply it. Okay, so the next step is हम लोगों को इसको blend करना है. So I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and just. So I just want to give you a description that I never ever use foundation on my skin. I just use the concealer on my skin, and this is my favorite concealer from Too Faced. It's quite a bit expensive because मैं foundation नहीं use करती हूँ, so I just use this concealer. It's Born This Way and the shade is light beige. Just gonna go just show you like this, light beige. It's really perfect for all skin types, and I'm using it since 2 years now, and ये बहुत अच्छा है. So I'm just gonna take this and apply it on my skin. सबसे पहले तो मैं under eyes पे apply करती हूँ because obviously our under eyes needs most attention. सबके dark circles होते हैं, I believe, and I think. There we go. So हम again beauty blender लेके इसको blend करेंगे. So मैं अपनी अंडर आई सबसे एंड में blend करती हूँ because I feel कि थोड़ा टाइम चाहिए होता है हमारे कंसीलर को अपने अंडर आइज में absorb होने के लिए. That's what I feel, and that's what I have learned since I started doing makeup. So अंडर आइज को blend करेंगे इसके बाद. So over here my base is all done. This is the base that I do whenever I do my makeup. इसके बाद मैं use करूँगी setting spray that is from Morphe. Here. So I'm gonna use this setting spray from Morphe, and this is really good, and I will highly recommend it to you. After spraying this, I will just wait for my skin to get dry, and then हम next procedure करेंगे. So next will be our eye makeup. मैं eyes पे बहुत ज़्यादा makeup नहीं करती हूँ. It's just like really, you know, basic kind of makeup जो सबको आता है. So we'll wait for our skin to get dry first, and then हम लोग करेंगे अपना eye makeup. For the next step, हम लोगों को लेना एक eyeshadow palette. This is from Morphe, and it's really nice. इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा shades आते हैं. So this is the palette, और बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा palette. So I just feel like इसमें सारे shades available हैं. So the first one which I'm gonna use is this Paradise Found, this one, and you can take any brush to do this. Then हम use करेंगे next shade, that is Sunrise, this one, on our outer corner. So now we will do my favorite step, that is mascara. मुझे mascara लगाना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. So we're gonna do mascara thing. First of all, we need eyelash curler. And then हम use करेंगे this eyelash primer from Sephora. I'm just gonna show you the close-up look of it. This. Where I am gonna apply the mascara. Okay, so हम लोगों का mascara apply हो गया है, and next is blush and then lipstick. To be honest, मैं blush नहीं use करती हूँ. I just use lipstick, and it's from Maybelline, and it's really nice. The shade is 65, and it's perfect for my skin tone because it just gives the nude effect that I want on my skin, and it's really nice. So I'm just gonna blend it. So blush is done, eyes is done. The last step is lips, and for my lips I just go with this lip liner. I don't know which brand it is because सब कुछ मिट चुका है इस पे, but I'm hoping MAC or something. So you just have to apply. So our lip liner is done. I'm going with the lipstick exactly the same shade that I used for my blush, and we just have to apply it. And the last thing is, after applying the lipstick, I just go with the lip gloss that is from Sephora. This is the one. It's from Sephora, and we just have to apply it. So that's it for our lip gloss and for our full makeup. I hope that you guys really liked it because I did really good job today. I feel like मैंने बहुत nude subtle makeup किया है that I always do in my Instagram reels. Okay guys, so that was it for this vlog. I hope that you really liked it, and मैंने बहुत try करा है कि मैं इस vlog को boring ना बनाऊँ. So if you like it, then please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me know आपको क्या vlog चाहिए next time. So do write it in the comment section. I'll make sure that I will be consistent now because I don't know, थोड़ा सा busy schedule है, so I do get a lot of DMs that I should post something on my YouTube channel. So I just try to do something new, and yeah, so that was it. Thank you for watching, and see you in another vlog. Till then, bye bye.